Google Ad Match Types Explained. How to control your keyword targeting for better results. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video, I want to quickly go over the different Google Ad Match types, what they are, and how you can use them to get better results from your Google Ads. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media, from Google Ads to Facebook ads to media plans. So if you're somebody that's either aspiring to be a paid media specialist, or you are an advertiser and you're looking to learn more about Google Ads, or you run your own business and you're looking to learn about Google Ads and things like that as far as paid media, this is a good channel to start with. If you like content like this, be sure to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like content like this again. And if you are looking for somebody to help you with your Google Ads, I offer freelance work, so feel free to book a free 30-minute discovery call with me, or you can look at my Upwork profile. I specialize in Google Ads, Facebook ads, media plans, and budgeting, pacing, and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, also, I want to add, I do have a free media or paid media resource hub. It's pretty much a centralized collection of different media type plan templates, Google ad, responsive ad templates, all type of things. So be sure to check that out as well. But with further ado, I only have 15 minutes to make this, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. So understanding Google ad keyword match type is essential for every PPC advertiser who wants to maximize their return on spend, drive more relevant clicks, and avoid wasting budget on the wrong searches. So rather, if you're new to Google Ads or you're searching to fine-tune your campaign, choosing the right match type for your keywords can either make your campaign successful, or it can break your campaign and make it not successful. Okay? So what are the Google ad keyword match types? So there's 3. So when you are adding keywords to your Google Ads campaign, you can choose, you get to choose on how closely you want your ads to match with what people are actually searching for. So this is what we call keyword match types. So we have 3. The main 3 ones are broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Each match type gives you a different level of control, flexibility, directly affecting your campaign's reach, cost, and relevance. So first, let's start with broad match. Broad match essentially maximizes your reach and helps you discover new opportunity. So broad match is the default, and it's a less restrictive option. So you can use broad match. So when you use broad match, Google will show your ads to the widest possible audience by including searches that relate to any word in your keywords, regardless of the order or any additional terms. So for example, let's say if I'm targeting a broad match keyword for luxury car, so I could choose to add my ad. Okay, let me run it back. So let's say, for example, if I'm choosing to run the broad match keyword luxury car, right? That's the one that I'm targeting. This could cause my ad to appear for searches like luxury cars for sale, best car brands, or even broader terms like expensive vehicles, okay? So while broad match can help me capture new audience in unexpected search queries, it can also increase my traffic a lot faster, and it requires careful monitoring. So advertisers often use what we call negative keywords to exclude relevant or irrelevant keywords or irrelevant searches that prevent waste spin or wasted spin. So remember, broad match is powerful for discovering new terms and scaling your campaign, but you need to keep a close eye on it because, of the negative keywords or just irrelevant keywords. Okay, so next we have phrase match, okay? So phrase match is kind of like the middle, it's like the medium between broad match and exact match. Phrase match allows a balanced flexibility and precision. So it's in the middle ground of the keyword in targeting Google Ads. So with phrase match, your ads will only show when a user's query includes your keyword phrases in the exact order you specified or that you typed for that keyword. Okay? But it may have words before or after. So for example, the keyword lawn mowing service could trigger ads for available lawn mowing services or lawn mowing services near me, or seasonal lawn mowing services rates. So be sure to keep that in mind. Now the phrase match now also includes close variants such as plurals, synonyms, and slight variations. Okay, so this means that your ad could show for relevant phrases even if the user's search isn't a perfect match. Phrase match is great for reaching customers who are searching with a specific intent while still casting a wide range in net or a wide enough net to get volume. Okay, next we have exact match. So exact match is laser focused, targeting for high intent. So exact match gives you the most precise control over your ads appearance. Okay? So originally this meant that your ad could only show for searchers that match your keyword exactly. However, Google has updated the exact match to allow for, any similar word or plurals or synonyms or close variants so that we get a bit more reach while keeping your target still pretty laser tight. So for example, keyword black cocktail dress could match to black cocktail dresses, which is plural, or it can match to black cocktail dress, or cocktail black dress, which is just like a different variation. So the exact match is ideal for capturing high intent users who are searching for your specific product or service. It usually delivers higher click-through and conversions, but with lower overall volume. So this match type is perfect for you getting the most value out of your money. Okay, so like I said, this keyword is most perfect for you to get the most value, most money, and it makes you. It kind of allows you to have it to where every click counts because it's already laser focused. Okay, so now that I've explained the three, I do want to say why. I want to answer why do keyword match type even matters. So the keyword match type you select in your Google ad account directly impacts your campaign's performance, budget efficiency, and the quality of traffic you attract. So using the right mix of broad, phrase, and exact match keywords allows you to reach your ideal audience, maximize relevant impressions, and avoid spending on irrelevant clicks. So many advertisers also layer match types in their account structure, assigning different bids and writing custom ad copy for each match type to further optimize the results. Oh, and I do want to add that once you start running these ads, you will be able to get what we call performance history. So with that performance history, you can do a competitor bidding strategy, cost per click, and campaign goals should all inform your choice when it comes to match type. So you want to continuously be reviewing your keyword performance history and adjust match types as needed to strike the best balance between reach, cost, and return on investment. Then I do have some pro tips for mastering Google Ad keyword match types. So you want to start broad and refine with phrase and exact match as you learn which queries convert the best. You also want to use negative keywords to block irrelevant searches and control your cost. You want to regularly review your search term reports to uncover new keyword opportunities or spot wasted spin. You also want to test different match types for your money keywords. So you want to analyze which delivers the highest return on investment. Then you want to customize your ad copy and landing pages to align with the intent behind each keyword match type. So, if you want to book a free call with me, be my guest. But I do want to add that a good free keyword tool that you can use is Google Keyword Planner. So it's already built into the Google Ads Campaign Manager. So that is a good place to start. Okay. Now, if you need help with coming up with your keywords or you need a keyword researcher, feel free to book a free discovery call with me today. We can get to know each other better and see if it will be a good fit. And with that being said, if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.